What's up, everybody? Check this out. I'm back. Today we're working on the Jeep. So I've been having problems with this thing overheating. Now I was a little low on some antifreeze, but my next thing is I'm gonna be putting a new thermostat in here. I've got the new thermostat right here. Oh, there's a little hair on there. Went down to old Riley and got me some parts. So basically I'm gonna take off this hose and then I'm gonna take off this little thing. You know, in reality, I guess I don't really need to take off that hose, but I'm going to anyways, just so I can access this easier. So here we go. Probably gonna spill some antifreeze, but I'll soak that up with some rags. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll let you know what size of bolt or wrench you need for that bolt, and I will link up in the description. I don't know if this is the one you're gonna get, but honestly, if you don't want to go to the parts store, you can order it right from Amazon most likely. So I'll post up a link below. So stay tuned. We'll film a little bit of us taking this apart.
I see you rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that? I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Big lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. Long game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast when she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment.
Alright folks, this is the new one. This is the old one. You obviously want to double check, make sure which way that thing goes in, right? So we're going to be putting this part down into that. So pretty much goes like that in there. So we're going to take this piece out. Alright, so we got that out. Alright, check this out. Got my fan here. Kind of helps cool things off, although it's still hot in here. But anyways, that's it. Put everything back together. We're gonna go drive around, see if this helps. I'll give an update video later if this helped. But that's how you change the thermostat. Make sure it's topped off with antifreeze. And then, yeah, I'll do an update video on basically my Jeep is overheating it gets hot for a little bit and then it'll come back down. But last time we were kind of driving, it just got hot and didn't come back down. So my guess is that's faulty. Anyways, peace out. See you later.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to